Namaskar everyone. How are you? I hope you all are well and safe. So students, in our previous lecture, we have completed our chapter 5, the Southern Plateau in worksheet. Okay. Today we will do the chapter 6, the coastal plains and the islands. Okay. But before starting our work in worksheet, we will revise this chapter. It will help us to give the answer in worksheet. Okay. So let's revise this from quick review of this chapter. So what did you learn in this chapter? What did you learn? The coastal plains lies along the eastern and western coasts. Okay. The Indian coastal plains are in two sides, eastern sides and western sides, and known as the eastern and western coasts. Okay. And I told you that what is coastal plains? The plain land surface which started just after the sea or ocean known as the coastal plains. Okay. And Indian coastal plains are divided into two parts, eastern coast and western coasts. Okay. See here we have two parts of Indian coastal plains. Okay, this is two part, this is eastern and this is western. Okay, and here is eastern coastal plains are broader means its width is greater than the western coastal plains. Okay, the coastal plains are broader than western coastal plains. It means the western coastal plains are narrow in width. Okay, but the eastern coastal plains eastern coastal plains are broader in width than the western coastal plains. Okay, see here the width, how is the width of eastern coastal plain and how is the width of the western coastal plains. Okay, now the Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri form fertile deltas on the eastern coast. Okay, we have Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri rivers which form delta region on the eastern coast, and I told you that Krishna river makes the southernmost delta in India. Okay, now next is you learned that the upper part of the western coast is called the Konkan coast. Okay, and the bottom or lower part is the Malabar coast. But I told you it is divided into three parts. The northern part is called the Gujarat coast. This is our India. Okay, so the western coast, this part is called Gujarat coast, this is called Konkan coast, and this is called Malabar coast. Okay, now next is there are lagoons along the Malabar coast in the extreme south. Okay, we have lagoons along the Malabar coast in the extreme south. And what are lagoons? What is called lagoons? These are parts of the sea water cut off by rocks or sand. Okay, and next is you learned that Andaman and Nicobar Islands. You learned that we have two island region. In east we have Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal. Okay, and in west we have Lakshadweep Island which lies in the Arabian Sea. Okay, and you learned that Andaman and Nicobar Islands lie in the Bay of Bengal. The last point of these islands was the Indra Point. Okay, was the Indra Point, but it sunk in the tsunami 2004. It means it is now underwater. Okay. The Lakshadweep islands are located in the Arabian Sea. I told you it is also our, both the islands are our union territories, and the Lakshadweep is the smallest union territory. Okay. Here is given the both the groups of islands are union territories, and Lakshadweep is our smallest union territories. Okay. And the Kavaratti is the capital of Lakshadweep, and the Port Blair is capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Okay. So done the revision. Now we will do the day 1 in our worksheet. Okay. See here, day 1, exercise 1. The first question is the total length of the coastal plains in India is about, here right here, the eastern coastal plains. Okay. The total length of the eastern coastal plains in India is about 125 kilometers. Okay. Now the second is the western coastal plains lies between the, you learned that eastern coastal plains lies between the Eastern Ghat and the Bay of Bengal. Okay. So right here Eastern Ghat and Bay of Bengal. Okay. Now the next is the main occupation of the people in eastern coastal plain region is agriculture. Okay. Right here are agriculture and fishing. Okay. Agriculture and fishing. Agriculture and fishing. Okay. Agriculture and fishing. Agriculture and fishing. Done. Now the next is fourth, dash coast receives rain in winter and is often hit by cyclones. Which coast? It is Coromandel coast. Okay. Coromandel coast. The Coromandel coast receive rainfall in winter and often hit by cyclones. Okay. Now the next is true and false. The average length of eastern coastal plain is about 125 kilometer. Yes, it is true. Right here, true. Okay. Now the next is the river Kaveri flows in the state Andhra Pradesh. It is false. Right here, false. Okay. Now the next is, third one is, all rivers in eastern coastal plains flow in northwest direction and fall in Arabian Sea. So this is true or false? This statement is also false. Right here, false. Okay. Only first one is true. Okay. Now the day 2. Now we have day 2. Exercise 1. True and false. The river of western coastal plains form delta. False. Why this is false? Because the rivers of western coastal plains are Narmada and Tapti. Okay. They do not make delta. Lakshadweep Island lies in Arabian Sea. Yes, this statement is true. Andaman and Nicobar Islands consist total 300 islands in all. Yes, these are group of 300 islands. So this statement is also true. Okay. Now, harbors are part of seawater cut off by rocks and sand. It is false. It is called lagoons. Lagoons are part of seawater cut off by rocks and sand. So this statement is false. Now, cellular jail in Andaman known as Kalapani. Yes, it is true. Now the unscrambled word, first unscrambled letter will make Lakshadweep. Okay. And second will make Kavaratti. the capital of Lakshadweep. Okay, first is Lakshadweep, second is Kavarati. Kavarati is the capital of Lakshadweep. Okay, and third is Port Blair. Port Blair is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Okay, and third unscramble will make lagoons. Okay, so what are lagoons? Lagoons are part of the sea water cut off by rocks and sand. Okay, now the next is day 3. Exercise 1. Write true or false. Okay, the western coastal plains receive rainfall in winter. Western coastal plains, no. Coastal, not western coastal plain. The Coromandel coast receive rainfall in winter. Western coastal plains receive heavy rainfall in summer season. So this statement is false. Okay. Now the next is, the western coastal plains have some of the best beaches in the country. Yes, we have Juhu Beach. We have many beaches in Goa, Mumbai. Okay, so this statement is true. Now third is, Lakshadweep consists of over 500 islands. No, this statement is also false. Why? Sojo, think about it. Because Lakshadweep Island is a group of only 43 islands. Okay, these islands are made up of coral. Okay. Now the fourth is, fishing is an important occupation in coastal plains. Yes, fishing is the main or important occupation in coastal plains because they have water resources, sea or oceans. Okay. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are popular with tourists. Yes, this statement is true. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are popular with tourists. Okay, so our first statement is false. Okay, second is true, third is also false, and fourth is true, fifth is true. Okay, now we will do the question bank. Here is fill in the blanks in question bank. Kavarati is the capital of Lakshadweep. Okay, Kavarati is the capital of Lakshadweep. Now here is beta, see here, the western coastal plains and in the south. So here is no sense of the question, so cut it. Okay, cut it. Cut the second. So now third is Andaman and the Nicobar Islands is southernmost point of India. I told you the Andaman and Nicobar Islands also known as the southernmost point of India, but it is far from the mainland of India. Okay. Now the fourth is, lagoons are shallow saltwater lakes created from the sea by an area of rock or sand. Okay. Now here is, the important ports of eastern coastal plains are Visakhapatnam and Paradeep. Right here, Paradeep. Right here, Paradeep. P-A-R-A Paradeep. D-E-E-P. Paradeep. Okay, Visakhapatnam and Paradeep. Now choose the correct answer. A narrow inlet of sea partly surrounded by land is called lagoon. Okay. Now the next is, the capital of the Andaman and Nicobar Island is Port Blair. Cut here, visit. Right here, Blair. Okay, Port Blair. Now third is, the smallest union territory of India is Lakshadweep. Okay, now our worksheet is completed. We have completed chapter 4, 5 and 6 in worksheet. Okay, from our next video lecture we will start our chapter number 14, our heritage. Okay, chapter 14, our heritage. Okay everyone, so now take care. Goodbye. Complete your worksheet in homework chapter 6. Okay everyone, see you in next video lecture. Okay.